Welcome to my open house at 104 Chieftain in Allendale. Allendale is a beautiful area of Barrie. It's in the south end, but central south end. And it's close to the highway, close to the Allendale Centre. It's just down the road. And close where the Mariposa Skating School is also headed. There's a pool and all kinds of activities there. There are local schools. There's a Catholic school, a public school. There's a public high school just down the street. And it's a short drive to St. Peter's, which is a Catholic high school. It's also only 7 minutes from the waterfront, Barrie's waterfront, which is this direction. A marina, the rowing club, the canoe club, and all kinds of activities downtown. So it's a wonderful place for families. It's traditional homes, and as I said, lots of family activities. And this is a perfect family home. It's approximately 2,200 square feet, and additionally it has a full finished basement, 3 large bedrooms, and we'll take a look and you'll see what I mean. Notice the beautiful door with glass inset. So come on in. As we enter, you'll see that it's a beautiful foyer, center hall plan with gorgeous textured flooring. And throughout the rest of the main floor, you'll see that there's hardwood, and it's only a few years old, as well as hardwood up the main floor. This is the living room, spacious. It accommodates a love seat and a sofa and the large tables. Bay window. And in the dining room, it's wide. It can accommodate, you can keep it simple, or you can accommodate a buffet and a hutch. And again, a lovely view of the backyard from the window. The beautiful flooring continues into the kitchen, where there's an island with granite counters and a dark cabinetry. And the rest of the kitchen, you'll see it's all light cabinetry. They have soft closed doors and drawers, glass, wine rack, stainless steel appliances, with one being a gas stove and a built-in microwave. And here the pantries over on this side have pull-outs. And there's a matching pantry over here, also with many pull-outs. This kitchen is a cook's kitchen. It's beautiful. It's got lots of space for all of your food and sundries. And it's open to the beautiful family room. It's also got a door to your covered deck. And then you have a beautiful view of your backyard and the open deck. Now there's eating space here, should you need it. And then we'll move into, you'll see the cutout into the family room, which gives you an extra wall for putting things, but opens it up to the kitchen. The family room is unlike a lot of family rooms you'll see. It's nice and wide. It has a wood fireplace. Lovely again, lovely paint throughout, hardwood again, and spacious, so you could have 2 sofas, 3 sofas, depending on what you were going to be using it for, and a lovely window looking out onto the deck. So, on the main floor, we also have a 2-piece bathroom. Notice all the black hardware throughout, which is really nice against the white and the blue-gray. Large laundry room with a very nice tub here that is stainless steel, cabinetry above, and also an extra closet here for winter clothes or the kids' things. This is the side door, has a little deck on it, and also leads you to the back or the front. Okay, and you'll see again the beautiful staircase with carpet so you don't slip. Upstairs we have a beautiful foyer as well. We have 3 large bedrooms, and all bedrooms accommodate a king bed or double bunk beds if you have children, and they're all beautifully painted onward to the master. The master is bright and cheery, spacious, and has a few surprises in it. It has large window. It has a walk-in closet, and I'm going to have you look at the walk-in closet with a linen closet beside it. The shower's gorgeous. They took the tub out and they put a beautiful shower in with stone, also with a built-in seat and lovely stones on the floor. Bright, lovely glass to the ceiling, and new toilets, of course. Now, when you come in here, this is the surprise. There is another walk-in closet. So everybody will have space for their own things, which is a lovely surprise. And the other two bedrooms, as I said, are both spacious. That's the beauty of having a 3-bedroom instead of a 4-bedroom. This would accommodate a king as well, or if the kids have twin beds or they want to have bunk beds, you have room for 2 sets. Nice size closet. Again, all the closets have the nice hardware. And then the 3rd bedroom is not furnished right now, but you can see that it's very large. Again, could accommodate a king bed or 2 twins or even double bunk beds. Nice closet and nice and bright with large windows. The kids or the guest bathroom is beautiful as well. It has light cabinetry and it has a beautiful gray floor. Matching is the gray tile in the bathtub area and keeps it beautiful, and a beautiful contrast with the white tub. Let's go down and see the basement. The basement is approximately 1,100 square feet, and it's quite open. This room, this foyer, you could put a computer in here or put some important bookcases, things like that you have want a special place for. And there's also storage underneath the stairs. But the big room, we enter through with the French doors, is another entertainment room with a bar, place for your TV, some cabinetry, and beautiful molding here. This could also be a pool room if you wanted it to be, because it's certainly wide enough and long enough, but bars are in right now. There's a 4th bedroom down here, and it's large. It's large enough that you could put, if you had a teenager, they could have this as their bedroom, plus their office space for doing their homework, or put their collections up. But it can also be a huge office if you're working at home, and you could put several desks, etc. It has a washroom here, an ensuite, and it is a 3-piece with a nice size shower. So your teenager would love that. Just a quick look at the utility room. There's a water softener included, and there's also, of course, your hot water heater, sump pumps in here, but there's lots of space for other storage in here. And there's also a little space back here where they have extra hardwood for storing underneath the stairs. You can go this way or through the side door. The depth of this lot is 156, and when the average depth is 110 in Barrie, it just shows you the expansive backyard. This part, I mean, it's possible to put a pool in there, and other people have terraced the upper part. Other people have left it for tobogganing with the little ones, so it's kind of a neat feature. So that sums up everything, but thank you for coming to my video today. Watch my other video that doesn't have me in it, and it's got some beautiful shots of all the rooms, and you can see the details, but just remember maybe a few points that I made. Beautiful area, lovely neighbors, lots of kids around, So make this your home. Come and see it quickly because I really don't think it's going to last long.